Welcome to Homeworkstick-CBSE application demonstration. Homeworkstick-CBSE is a software application embedded on a USB device with extraordinary features like non-copy, non-formattable, and auto-upgrade functionalities. It contains the last 10 years of previous year questions, PYQs, and thousands of MCQs, all accessible through a user-friendly application interface. Now let's explore how to register, how to use it, how to create tests, how to access reports, and more. Plug in the Homeworkstick-CBSE USB device into any working port of a Windows PC. Now you will see a CD drive partition labeled Homeworkstick-CBSE. Start the application by double-clicking on Homeworkstick-CBSE.exe. You will now see the end-user license agreement. Go through it and accept it if you agree with the terms and conditions. After accepting the end-user license agreement, the user has to fill in personal information including name, email address, cell phone number, username, and password to open the application software. After filling in valid information, proceed further to complete the final stage of product registration. Now you will receive an OTP on your email address. Fill in the OTP in the application window and proceed. If you do not receive the OTP on your email, click on the Resend button. Input the correct OTP and you will complete the registration process. Now let's move to the next part, that is, the features of the application. After successful login, you will see the dashboard. On the top left, it shows the application name, that is, Homeworkstick-CBSE. On the top right, you will see My Profile, which displays the information you filled in while registering the product. The Help tab contains elaborate help content for using this application. Check for Update is used to verify if any new application updates or content updates are available for your device. Synchronize Data is used to sync reports from your device to cloud. The About section shows the software version of Homeworkstick-CBSE and below that the unique hardware ID of your device. At the footer of the application window, you can see the total session time during which the application is being used and the total number of questions loaded on the device. Now let's start using the main features of the application software. There are 3 types of sessions available for students: practice sessions, simple, practice sessions, CAT, and mock tests. Students can generate an unlimited number of practice sessions and mock tests using a single chapter, multiple chapters, or even entire subjects. Let's explore practice sessions. Practice sessions are of 2 types: simple and with computer adaptive testing, and both contains PYQs and MCQs. Both the practice sessions have similar user interface. Select Standard followed by Subject, then you will see a list of chapter names. You may select a single chapter, multiple chapters, or all chapters. After selecting the chapters, proceed to start the test. Here, you will find MCQs with single correct answers. You will see question number 1 followed by 4 options. Select one of the correct options and click the Next button. If you are not confident about the answer, you may click on Hint to see the hint to the answer. If you want to see the answer, click on Explanation. In practice session, you can't go to next question without answering first question. Question number and timer are shown on the screen. You may pause the session by pressing Pause button. Report button is provided to report question with errors. In the mock test section, select the standard, subject, and chapters. After clicking on Start, you will see question followed by 4 options. Select the option and click on Next to go for next question. You may skip a question and go to next question. Skipped question number is marked in yellow for your knowledge. You may come back and solve the skipped question anytime. This test is for 100 MCQs only. Now let's see how to view test results. Click on Test Results to see all your past tests in a date-wise manner. Click on any recent test to view the result. It will display the date, total number of questions attempted, score, time taken, number of correctly answered questions, incorrectly answered questions, and unanswered questions. Below this summary, it provides a review section for self-assessment. There are 3 buttons: correctly answered, incorrectly answered, and unanswered. Click on each of these to see the question, the available options, the expected correct answer, and the answer you selected. In the incorrectly answered and unanswered sections, the explanation is also displayed to help you understand what the correct answer was. So that's it for this Homeworkstick-CBSE application demonstration.